Good morning, friends. How are you there? I hope you're all doing fine. So we are doing a assembling of steel structure. We are doing structural work right now, and before we are going to erect this to the pipe rack, we are going to assemble it, because when we do it at the top, it would be very difficult. So better to assemble it, 3 pieces structure, the support and beam. So this is the one. This is the brace or support to the beam. This is the third lift now. How are you all, my friends? Today is 22nd of October 2025. Assembling of structural steel support and beam. So before we will install this, the supervisor decided to assemble it instead in the ground. This is a bit simple job than at the top of the pipe rack. This is for oil and gas refinery plant or petrochemical plant. So we are doing a structural job as of now. Thank you for watching, my friends. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.